Oh my gosh, I have to go to Living Sports Center, but I live there now. Well, it's time for the Living Sports Center player tweets. We need 3 more players and then we can start. But Slick, we have 2 more players and then we can start. But Slick is gonna watch her cat video. Okay, class, we're gonna do sports. Hey, Topaz, what is it? Can I go out? Out where? The hallways. Sure, but don't take too long. Well, since I'm out the hallways this time, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let me see what the... Let me read this. Fire. Push in, pull down. Swarmed by Honeywell and FCI. It's the fire alarm! If I can pull it, I can break everybody in the building. It's gonna be like, oh, fire! Fire! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. 3, 2, 1. Pull down. There we go. What's taking him so long? When she watched her cat videos. Oh my god, this cat video is so freaking cute. I really want one cat like that. Now I'll just watch. I'll watch anyways. Ooh. Ooh. Where's that sound coming from? It's a fire alarm! There must be a fire! Run! 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 Fire! Run! Run! The fire! Everybody! I mean, later outside. There was no fire in the building, but the cops told me that there was a false alarm. Everyone come back into the building safely as possible. Do not run. That was so funny. I have another idea. I'm not gonna take the walk this time. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm again. In class. Okay, class, now who can tell me what is 2 plus 2? It equals 4. Are you kidding me? The fire alarm is on again. You know what? We're not going to exit the building. We're just going to keep doing our sports wall slick watches. Okay, class, so now we're going to play basketball. The fire alarm is going off. So, later, when the fire alarm is getting reset, oh my god, I better caught someone who pulled the fire alarm. Because, hey, you, stop right there. What? I saw you pull the fire alarm with my own eye 2 times. For absolutely when you were taking a walk. Okay? I saw you pull the fire alarm 2 times for absolutely no reason. You need to give me that $1,000 fine. Okay. I know I have to give you that $1,000 fine, but I don't have that much money, Slick. When the fire alarm got reset. Okay. I'm going to McDonald's. Hold up. But before you go to McDonald's, you need to give me that $1,000 fine. But I don't have that much money. No buts, no ifs. You need to give me that $1,000 fine. Okay, I'm out of here. When she got home. So, Topaz, how's your life today? Horrible. Yep, you need to start mowing. You need to start mowing the lawn to earn $1,000 because I don't have that much money. Okay, but I don't want to do it. Topaz, if you don't mow the lawn, you are going to be grounded from electronics for the rest of your life. Okay, fine. No, I just hate this. That's what I thought.